Welcome spring to your landscape with a few spring flowering shrubs. Nothing says spring to me like azaleas. Behind me is Cairn azalea, hardy to zone 4, so it's got good hardiness. It's a nice upright form, but you'll find others that are a little bit shorter and spreading as well. Put your azaleas in a sheltered location, sheltered from winter wind and sun. Keep the soil slightly moist and you'll have beautiful flowers each spring. One of my favorites is the Fothergilla, a relative of witch hazel. Beautiful early spring, fragrant blooms that the hummingbirds like, and the leaves will expand, adding beautiful foliage throughout the season. And then watch for the fall color. This does great in full sun, even into some shade, and you'll still have beautiful flowers in fall color. Pieris is a part shade to part sun location, even into shade. Look at how the foliage is this beautiful bright green, adding some color, along with the flowers that just cascade over the plant. Again, part sun to shade, moist, well-drained soils. A viburnum that's resistant to viburnum leaf beetle and has great horizontal branching is the Doublefile Viburnum. This is popcorn with its double flower, so it really puts on a great spring display. Full sun to shade, horizontal branching, great fall color, so it provides year-round interest. Rhododendrons, just like azaleas, like a little shelter from winter wind and winter sun. Provide moist, well-drained soil, enjoy the evergreen foliage in that sheltered location, and look at these gorgeous blooms. Great welcome to your spring garden. Another one of my favorites is the Bloomerang Lilac, that tall plant in the back. You'll get flowers around mid-May. It'll take a rest, and then you'll have more flowers midsummer into fall. Twice the beauty from this Bloomerang Lilac. And don't forget the evergreens. Boxwoods are a great way to make your spring flowering shrubs stand out in the landscape and provide greenery year-round. The new Gen series of Independence and Freedom are more blight resistant, so you'll have beautiful greenery, less disease problems, and enjoy that year-round. So welcome spring into your landscape with a visit to Pasquesi, and you'll enjoy this spring and many to come.